What is algorithm? An algorithm is a well-defined procedure that allows a computer to solve a problem. Overall, we can say that a step-by-step method to solve a particular problem is called algorithm. So dear students, step-by-step method to solve a particular problem is called algorithm. Examples of algorithm. Now I am going to give you example how to write an algorithm for adding two numbers. Step 1, start. Step 2, enter two numbers in A and B. Step 3, add A and B and store in C. Step 4, display C. Step 5, end. Here one more example of algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, create a variable to receive the user's email address. Step 3, clear the variable in case it's not empty. Step 4, ask the user for an email address. Step 5, store the response in the variable. Step 6, check the stored response to see if it is a valid email address. Step 7, not valid, question mark. Go back to step 3. Step 8, end. This is the flow chart of the same algorithm. An algorithm to find largest of three different numbers. So dear student, step by step method to define the logic of the program is called algorithm. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode is a simple way of writing programming code in English. Pseudocode is not actual programming language. It uses short phrases to write code for program before we actually create it in a specific language. So dear student, pseudocode is a simple way of writing programming code in English. Must remember, pseudocode is not actual programming language. It uses short phrases to write code for programs before we actually create it in a specific language. Example of pseudocodes. Thank you. Have a nice day.